Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am not actually wearing makeup yet because today Axel will be doing my makeup.
Alright.
Are you ready?
I don't know what this stuff is. Can you just tell me what I start off with?
No. You gotta do it. Where's my hair tie? I should probably get my hair out of the way for you.
Frick. I'm gonna Google.
No, you can't Google anything. Hold on. Got a hair tie just to keep the hair out of your way. What?
I don't know what to start off with. Okay, I'll do it. Alright.
I hope your hands are washed.
They aren't. Oh, frick, I'll start one there. Look at me.
Is this gonna take like hours?
Look at me. I am the captain now. Ooh, look at this.
You're having too much fun.
You look like an army person. Alright, it's a good start. I think I put too much, maybe. Okay, wait, I gotta get the rest off my fingers.
It feels so gross.
Alright, we're gonna...
Okay.
Maybe this side. Well...
Now you have some on the back of it though.
Ah, screw it. Don't smile. You're ruining the blending technique. Oh shoot, I got some on your lips.
It's fine.
It's fine, right?
Yeah.
Just gotta treat this like a canvas.
You're actually gonna try hard.
I am.
I actually want you to like do your best.
Tell me if I'm being too rough with this thing.
You're not.
Do you usually do it in circular motions or?
I'm not telling you.
Wait, close your lips.
You're closing your lips at me.
Eyelids are I'm gonna skip because that's for eyeshadow. Look at that. That is coverage. Oh, you usually dab. You dab it. Ah. Let's do it. Take two. That's what you do. Whoops.
Alright. What's next?
Okay. I think you do your eyebrows. Gonna be I don't think that's your eyebrows, is it? Black, that's eyeliner. That's not eyebrows. Nice try there. Ooh. There you go, I saw it. Gonna be using brow definer, if you can see that. Look at that. Look at the focus.
It's not even focusing.
That's what you guys do, right? Ah, brow definer. Maybelline.
What's the shade?
It's a 310 medium brown. Alright. Let me do them brows. Brows on fleek. Ah, shoot. You have to come closer.
Okay.
Okay. Just like a pencil.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Damn. Ain't nobody touching my bubba. Ain't nobody going after you.
They don't have to be identical, but they should be like sisters.
Oh, they're distant relatives.
Gosh, your face scares me.
Oh my gosh. Wait, no, don't look. Yeah, sure. Let's go this way. Ooh, this is cool.
I'm like trying not to cringe.
You gotta work it down. I feel like I'm being too rough.
Mm. Who needs brushes when you got your fingers?
That's right. Work it into the brow. And you put a little dab there. Like any glamorous. It's gonna be tricky.
You're gentle.
I know. You can fix that. It's just to have a little bit of a dark tinge on that one.
Mm.
It doesn't even necessarily be like an actual line. Wait, I just gotta touch up now.
It's your finger.
Yeah. Wow, that's actually really good. I think I need to put.
Am I gonna like it?
Let me get a wipe. I need a wipe for my finger.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at that brow though. Oh my gosh.
I think it looks pretty good. I will add a little bit of this color.
What color is that?
The pinky color.
Okay.
Just at the tops. Oh, you used a brush.
You didn't even put anything on it.
Oh, you're supposed to do that first.
Or you can tap it. I don't know.
Whatever. Oh yeah, that's nice. I don't know what that is, but focus on there. Focus on there.
Let's focus on my face.
There you go. Look at that.
Do not poke my eye out.
I'm not. I'll just show them the eyes first. Okay, look at them eyes. Look at that. Eyebrows on fleek.
Does that actually look good?
Yeah, I think it looks great.
Okay. What's next?
Lips. Mwah.
What do you want my lips to do?
Like that.
Like this?
Oh, maybe not. Just don't smile. Is this like a lipstick?
Yeah.
So like you would do this after?
Is that what you do with lipstick?
Which is the lucky brush? This one looks like a good one. I'm actually impressed. This is so good.
Like it's actually okay for me to go out.
Yeah. I know you probably
Like okay, you'd be impressed to introduce me to like your family for the first time.
I wouldn't go that far, but gotta bring it out. See the technique? Look at that. Out with that. Bam. Bam.
Good?
Look at that. Damn.
Good makeup?
Yeah, maybe it's Maybelline.
Okay, let me see now. Oh gosh, okay.
Beautiful cover girl.
Not bad. Your little eyeshadow technique down here gives me a little bit, looks like I haven't slept in a few days. But, I mean, and the eyeliner, I don't know if you can see, the eyeliner is not really connected to the lash line, but...
I told you it was a technique just to darken it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
But overall, honestly, I wouldn't be... It kind of looks like I had a drunk night and I left my makeup on and then I woke up in the morning and that's what it looks like. But overall, I would go out in this if...
Ooh. Wait. Look at the eyebrows.
Oh yeah, oh, you know what? Never mind, I would not go out in this. Looking at those eyebrows, oh god. Oh my goodness.
No, they're not that bad.
This one has like box eyebrows.
Oh my goodness.
This one's not as bad.
That's hot. That's hot.
So besides the bags and the brows, if we cover the brows and get rid of the bags that you created with... Like, you know how you use foundation to get rid of dark circles? I feel like you used the foundation and got rid of the dark circles, but then you decided to add them back there with the eyeshadow. But this is the look.
All right.
Can I wipe this off now, please?
No. We're ready.
You honestly did a lot better than I thought. I will say that. And when the fact that you were like coloring my eyebrows, I thought they were gonna look even worse than they do. So there's a plus, but I still cannot go out with my eyebrow looking like that. I can't wait till next time when I do your makeup. I'm gonna make you look so beautiful.
I already am beautiful.
Okay, do you want to close out the video?
No, not really. Hit me up if you want any more makeup tutorials. If you want to look fabulous like this, then yeah, I can show you how. Love you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.